So the MoonSwatch straps quality is very bad. If you want to increase the variability of your MoonSwatch, I suggest to find a replacement. I have here the straps from Perpetual Straps company. They make straps specifically for MoonSwatches. So as you can see, they fit perfectly. And they not only fit perfectly to the design, but they are actually matching the colors of particular MoonSwatch. So they have straps for each MoonSwatch models. Here I got several straps from them, which all work very nicely with my mission to Jupiter. As you can see, the orange one matches colors perfectly. This color, this strap is also pretty good. So you can swap them, you can change them, and you will have a totally different feel and look of your MoonSwatch.